in 4 days, we're leaving to Florence, Italy. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. So anything I learned there, I'm hoping to bring back home.
There's my bags. It's gonna be a great time. We're gonna have lots of laughs and learn so many cool things.
5:30 in the morning, everybody, off to Italy!
So we are now getting onto the plane.
Excited.
Yeah,
Florence.
let's get it.
Rome.
We are first full day in Florence and we're heading to Bologna. How was your trip here and what do you think, your first impressions?
It's awesome. Amazing.
We're just leaving Bologna. Beautiful day in Bologna. It was gorgeous. What did you do today?
Went to Bologna. We stopped at a cafe, had a really great spaghetti sauce, and then they gave us some bruschetta for a start, gave us our meal, and then they gave us a dessert, so it was awesome.
We did like a food tour in the morning, and then we have like a lot of baking items, right? Croissants.
First gelato. First of many.
One at least every day for 10 days.
Yes. Every hour.
Are less expensive because they are also mixed with wine vinegar. And we will try pigialle, that is a street food, it's a bread. Then canco, so portobello is 50 euro for a kilo, fratello is 100. They make gelato every day.
Okay class, so we just had an amazing tour. What was the food like?
Heaven.
And this is only day 2 of your trip. Awesome.
More excited, right?
More food, more food, more food.
So all the arches that you see behind us, there's 60 kilometers worth of arches going through Bologna.
This is always very rich our flavor. Basic flour pesto. Very thick beans inside. Nice. Don't want to boil our milk. So it's over the refrigerator. It's more
Grazie, signor.
We'll be trying street foods throughout this 2.5-hour tour.
All of our machines were built in here. In this room, particularly only for espresso. underneath the boat represents the espresso machine. This is the first machine made by our founders, the Bambi brothers, in 1927.
wish that everybody else would do a trip like this with their college.
Some of the cool things that we learned in Italy during our excursions is, I'd say, like the rights they have to claiming food that originated in Italy. DOP, IGPs. It's quite it's outstanding, actually.
Last day here at the markets in Florence, Italy. We're doing our tours and it's been an absolutely amazing trip, learning everything from the cheeses to the wines to all the meats, the salamis that they have, balsamic vinegars, olive oils, learning the origins and how they're produced, the laws, the regulations, how strict they are. The students have been amazing. This has been an incredible trip to be able to share with them and just feed off of their enthusiasm, their excitement of the food, and the culture. The museums here, the Uffizi Museum was amazing. Florence is an absolutely incredible place, and I'm sure going to miss it. It was such a great time spending 10 days, 11 days here, and now preparing to get on to our long flight home, about 32 hours for us to arrive back in Edmonton. Ciao.
So we're packed up and heading home. You know, from the sights, the smells, you know, like watching the pace of the people and like the dance of interactions between, you know, the pedestrians and those driving vehicles is amazing.
So if I'm gonna say anything about this trip, it's gonna be come experience it for yourself. It's an amazing country, it's an amazing ecosystem, it's an amazing place in general. It's very scenic, it's very open, it's very accepting, it's very historically rich. Like there's not one part of this trip I didn't like. I'd like to thank Portage College for giving us this opportunity and allowing us to come here. It's once in a lifetime.
This whole trip has been a beautiful experience. If you get the opportunity to go and check it out, I highly recommend it. It was amazing.